The ethos of our practice here in Wimbledon Clinics is to develop a specialist orthopaedic centre dedicated to caring for patients with orthopaedic bony injuries.
The range of conditions that we treat at Wimbledon Clinics is from head to toe. We aim to be able to treat all musculoskeletal complaints, whether they be sports injuries or arthritis.
When I first met Jonathan, he was a man that was interested in you and interested in you as a person. He weren't just a knee.
My first impressions of Adrian when I first came to see him for my knee, he was clearly very knowledgeable, put me at ease.
Mr. Fairbank is lovely. He's a gentleman, he's a very kind man. He does not make you feel at all that you've come to him with something that is actually nothing.
A team approach is important. In America and in Australia, where I did my fellowships, I found that it's the best model. Orthopaedics is a specialty looking after the bones and the joints, and we take people from the top of their head to the bottom of their toe, all through their neck, their spine, their shoulders, elbow, wrist, hand, hip and knee, foot and ankle. We cover all aspects of orthopaedic surgery.
We have sports and exercise physicians, we have specialist physiotherapists, orthotists, podiatrists and sports psychology.
Through consultation, through examination, through diagnostic tests, sometimes surgery is the right answer in treating your problem.
There's no rushing into it. It's all very, very carefully thought out and checked through, and it's very obvious he won't advise you to go ahead anything unless he believes it is absolutely necessary.
Our facilities at Parkside Hospital are tremendous. We have superb consulting rooms. They're housed just above our physiotherapy department and our hydrotherapy pool. And the hospital has state-of-the-art diagnostic and surgical facilities.
The building is very clean. The ward rooms are very clean. I'd say the level of housekeeping here is excellent.
Mr. Bell's secretary was very helpful and very thorough, and if I needed any information I could ring up and I would get that.
Mr. Fairbank's secretary is lovely. She keeps you completely in the loop as to what's happening, she sorts out your post-op appointments and she makes sure that everything's done the way it should be.
Aftercare is a very important part of a patient's recovery after injury, after treatment and if necessary after surgery.
So far as the aftercare was concerned, what's very impressive is the sort of seamless way you move from surgery to physiotherapy.
It's not just the surgery, but it's the whole holistic approach to getting back on your feet.
It's not just about the knee, it's about your whole body.
The results that we achieve are the most rewarding part of the job.
It's been 10 months since the surgery and I'm completely mobile and I'm having no issues with my knee whatsoever.
I do everything that I always did before. It doesn't cause me a problem at all.
I was cycling again, I was swimming again. You just don't think you've had an operation.
It's transformed my everyday experience of life. I mean, little things like walking upstairs.
My whole experience here has been very good. It's a surgery that I'm certainly pleased I underwent.
You're made very much to feel as a person, not just a number, and I certainly found the care was excellent. I would certainly recommend it.